Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Have you ever been driving down the road and hear a weird howling or grinding noise coming from your car somewhere and can't figure out where it is? Chances are it could be a wheel bearing. So today I'm going to show you how to diagnose and fix that problem. Stay tuned. Now, from my experience, diagnosing a bad wheel bearing can be a little bit tricky, especially in the situation I'm in right now. I'm hearing a howling from inside the car, and you can hear that here. But when I try to diagnose the problem from outside the car and figure out which wheel is having the problem, I can't find it. So there's a couple ways you can do this. You can jack the car up and check wheel by wheel. You can wiggle each tire back and forth, get a good grip on each side and go left to right, and then top and bottom and go up and down, and see if there's any play in the wheel while you move it back and forth in either of those directions. And then, depending on which wheel it is, you can just spin it and see if you can hear the same sort of sound that you're getting when you're driving down the road. Now, usually this sound, I would describe this sound as a howling, but I've heard it talked about as a grinding or a moaning. It's just something that increases. It gets either louder or higher pitched with higher speeds, and sometimes goes away if you're turning in a different direction or if you slow down. Now mine, I could not find it with any of the traditional methods. I tried wiggling the tires back and forth. There's no play on any of the wheels. I checked all four. And when I spin the wheels, even if I jack up the rear end completely and put it in neutral, when I spin the tires, I'm not hearing anything. Might not be able to get the tires to spin fast enough. I don't know what it is. But when I'm driving, if I go around a left-hand corner, the sound goes away. So that kind of makes me think, and I had a feeling from the beginning that it's in one of the front wheels as well. So I think it's going to be my left front wheel bearing that I need to replace. So that's what I'm going to do today, and we'll see if it fixes the problem. Stick around. Now here's a couple things you might need for this job. You're going to need a socket set, preferably something with a 1/2-inch drive, but 3/8 will work as well. I think for this job I'm going to need an 18, 15, and maybe a 21 or something like that, a 21 for the lug nuts. And then there's one specialty socket you're going to need for the spindle nut, and that is a 35mm socket. So I had to buy one of those. Also, you're going to be removing the brake caliper, so you're going to need something to hold that up. A lot of people use bungee cord, or you can use just anything that will hold it. And then in terms of parts, you're going to need a replacement wheel hub with a wheel bearing in it. Don't forget a spindle nut, because these things are do not replace, or do not reuse, sorry. They're a do not reuse part, so I went ahead and got another one of those. I'm going to replace both the front ones, so we've got 2 of those. We will also need a jack and a jack stand. And then I'm going to replace one more part too. Anyone ever had their dust shields for their disc brakes fall off? I'm going to replace those while I'm in there. So here we go. There's some grinding. Just gonna throw some anise on here. Nothing but wind noise now. No more howling. Alright. Well, there you have it. It was my left front wheel bearing. I took a guess and I got it right that time. I was pretty sure because every time I went around a left-hand turn, the noise went away. I figured the wheel might have been spinning less or moving slower or whatever. I don't know all the physics of it, but when I'm going around a left-hand turn, the sound went away. So I figured try the left front just to see if that happens. It worked. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the right front wheel bearing as well, just because I'd like to do things in pairs. So I've already got the parts, and I'm just gonna do that real quick. So thanks for watching today. If you liked this video, if it helped you out at all, please give me the thumbs up and the like. If you like to see more videos like this where I repair cars or do product reviews or anything cool like that, I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe too. All of that helps YouTube know who to give my videos to and who to suggest things to, and it helps me out. So thanks a lot for watching.